10 ways AI will change your job by 2030. Artificial intelligence isn't just coming for your job, it's changing how you'll do it. By 2030, nearly every profession will look different because of AI. Here are 10 ways this transformation is already taking shape. Smarter workflows. AI will handle repetitive tasks like scheduling, data entry, and basic reporting, allowing humans to focus on creativity, decision-making, and innovation. Personalized career growth. Algorithms will track your performance and learning patterns to recommend courses, mentors, and new skills you should develop, essentially giving everyone their own career coach. Hybrid human-AI teams. In most workplaces, you won't be replaced. You'll collaborate with AI systems that handle the heavy lifting while you bring emotional intelligence and strategic thinking. Automated hiring and performance reviews. AI-powered systems will filter resumes, assess candidates, and even track employee performance, raising both efficiency and ethical concerns about bias and transparency. Demand for AI literacy. Knowing how to use AI tools will become as essential as knowing how to use email today. Those who adapt early will lead the next generation of workers. New job titles. Expect to see roles like prompt engineer, AI auditor, and machine learning ethicist. Entire industries will form around managing and improving AI systems. Creative collaboration. Writers, designers, and video creators will use AI to brainstorm ideas, edit faster, and reach audiences more effectively. Creativity won't die, it'll evolve. Remote work revolution. AI-driven virtual assistants, translation tools, and project managers will make global collaboration effortless, blurring the lines between offices and time zones. Enhanced decision-making. Executives and analysts will rely on AI to forecast trends, manage risk, and optimize resources, leading to faster data-driven strategies across all industries. Lifelong learning becomes essential. Because AI will constantly change the tools we use, workers will need to keep learning. Continuous education will be the key to job security in an AI-powered world. By 2030, AI won't eliminate work, it will redefine it. The future belongs to those who learn to work with AI, not against it.